Hello, and welcome back to Planner Apocalypse. I thought that since I'm designing stickers for the sale that's gonna launch next week, I thought I would do a little design with me. And this is the first time I'm recording my desktop, so I am just learning how to do this, so I'm well aware that the quality is very bad, and there's like a black bar on the side, so and keep that in mind. So basically what I'm doing is, and I know this is going pretty fast, but what I'm doing is taking a sticker from kind of like the master art file and then copying and pasting onto the sticker sheet where I line it up with those guides, those blue lines, and make a line of 4, and then I merge those layers together, and then I copy that merged layer multiple times throughout the sheet. And then I take all of those layers and merge them together. And then I use the layer effect to add a stroke of 10 pixels of white, and which is going to be the cut line. And what I'm doing right now is working on the thumbnails. So I'm designing the thumbnail for the printable stickers using my branding colors of, pastel rainbow. I'm going for a cute gingham look. And I really didn't need to do all those horizontal lines because I literally just squished everything, but I'm making the top layer as a multiply transparency instead of a regular thing. And then I lightened up all of the layers so that they don't detract from the actual product. And I'm just adding a watermark so no one's gonna try to print my digital stickers right off of the page there. So what I'm doing is just copying and pasting the final sticker sheet onto the thumbnail template for the printable stickers. I find that using a template file is easiest. You can kind of separate your layers by using folders and turning them on and off with the little eyeball. And that's actually been revolutionary for me. And so I decided to, have a large version that people can get a better look at, and added a drop shadow so that it looks like a sticker. And I'm honestly not really sure what to talk about for the next 5 minutes. I actually originally designed these Momotis back in 2003 when I used them for little mood icons for my live journal. So these are 20-year-old designs that I'm finally releasing for public consumption, I guess. I am going to be editing a couple of them, I think, just with they are 20 years old, so just with the idea of, I guess, the normally accepted emojis and stuff like that. I am going to be editing a couple of them and maybe making a new one. I don't know. I wanted to make a sleeping face because right now all I have is exhausted. So originally I had gone through the list of live journal moods, but I never made it all the way through all the way through the list. I actually really like the hot weather Momoti. I think it's pretty cute. And so when I'm making like the big sticker there, I'm just trying to make sure that I can, like, I'm sizing it to what the other ones are sized to, if that makes sense. So that's why you see some layering going on before I eventually make it go away and such. So I probably will end up printing a few of these. I don't want to print too many in advance, just to make sure that sticker paper is kept fresh and stuff. But I would print things on demand as people order. I did order some new sticker paper to replace the box that I've been using since 2020. I think the next time that I replenish my sticker paper, I'm gonna go for recycled sticker paper if this is something that people want. So yeah, this dirty Memoji is gonna be one of the ones that I am redesigning. So I don't know. If you have any particular requests for moods, just let me know in the comment box down below. I do have quite a few, but there are some key ones I'm missing, like anxious. I can't guarantee that I would have it done by the sale, but I would like to have it done eventually. So, yeah. Anyway, if you have enjoyed this, sorry it went by so fast and stuff, but if you're interested in the sale, it will be starting July 12th, plannerpocalypse.etsy.com, and you'll find the link down below as always, because I'm like, please go to my shop. But it will be going on for a week, so the 12th through the 19th of July 2023. And I guess that's really about it. So I'm gonna say thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!